Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Telluride. The Kia Telluride is an impressive SUV that boasts a striking exterior look. Plenty of interior technology features, additional space for guests in the third row, and a powerful engine leave no doubt that this is an SUV worth talking about. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, power brakes, braking assist, voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, driver attention alert system. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.